Fresh details are now coming in from Mumbai from a firing incident that took place late last night at filmmaker Rohit Shetty's residence. According to police sources, the accused arrived near Rohit Shetty's house on a motorcycle. There was only one shooter involved in the incident. About 4 rounds are expected or understood to have been fired. The accused parked the bike at some distance, then walked towards the tower, opened fire and then fled the spot immediately. Any arrest being made? Well, we'll go across to Rucha joining us live from Mumbai. Rucha, what is the latest that you can tell us? Has security been beefed up? Has there been absolutely any information on who this accused is and what was the nature of this attack?
Well, currently the team of Juhu police is here along with the crime branch team, and they are currently recording statements of all those eyewitnesses who were present here when the attack took place, when the firing took place. And even now we are seeing a high deployment of Mumbai police, and currently from auto driver to the guards on gate, they are recording their statements with the crime branch. And what we are learning that one person was responsible for this attack. The man, unidentified man, who was riding a motorcycle, he parked the bike on a short distance and then walked here, fired on the premises and the building of Rohit Shetty, and then immediately he fled away. Now, if we talk about the investigation, more than 100 CCTV footages are being reviewed by the Mumbai police, and there are lots of security cameras, including those which are inside the premises of Rohit Shetty's Shetty Tower, and also all those who were present here on streets are also being questioned because if we
can see some bullet marks on the walls and on the glass. Can you tell our cameraman to actually show those bullet marks? Yes, that's one. On which floor is the bullet on that glass as we're seeing it from here?
Well, if we look at the wall, the compound wall of the building, one shot can be seen, a mark of bullet can be seen. Another mark is visible on the glass on first floor. The attack was on ground and first floor. Along with that, if we look at some distance below the glass, there's another mark where we can see a white mark on wall. 3 shots are visible where the gun was fired, and more than 3 include actually 5 gunshots were fired, out of which 3 are clearly visible. And fortunately, nobody was in the balcony when the gun was fired. No one is reported injured in this entire incident. But what we are also learning is that Rohit Shetty was very much present in his residence when the attack took place. So we are learning the attack was attempted at 2:30 to 3 a.m. when Rohit Shetty was present inside the building. The family was also here, and
well, that is a rather disturbing development we are getting from Mumbai in Juhu, where police still investigating. 5 rounds being fired at Rohit Shetty filmmaker's residence, and very clear bullet marks being seen on the balcony on the first floor, on the boundary walls. Still awaiting the first arrest in this case. CCTV being looked at very, very closely by police officials at this moment, even as we speak. Thank you, Rucha.